Mix lemon with garlic and you will never visit a hospital again. Just 1 cup of this drink is enough to cleanse your kidneys, skin, and much more. Welcome to Natural SP Food. To prepare this powerful drink, we will use 2 limes previously washed. Cut them into small pieces. Limes contain citrate, which is a compound that helps break down calcium deposits in the kidneys. Comment from 1 to 10 how effective you think this amazing recipe is. We will also need 4 large cloves of garlic, or in my case, I will use more because of their size, which we will peel and chop. If you are interested in a particular recipe, let me know what you are suffering from and we will publish it in an upcoming video. In a saucepan, we will add the ingredients along with half a teaspoon of turmeric and 2 cups of water. We will let it boil for about 15 minutes. We will serve and drink for 15 days, 1 or 2 cups a day. Your kid mix, and skin will thank you. Rate this drink from 1 to 10 in the comments. Until the next video.